Today, I wanted to bring you along with me for a day in the life of a busy New York City mom, entrepreneur, and full-time employee. Get ready for a packed day. First up, I need to shoot some content for my products, so I'm getting an early start. And it's time to sit down and get some work done for the biggest chunk of my day. And after that, it's time to run some errands. Running some errands, sending some packages. I love a good reason to go outside, stretch my legs, and get away from the computer. Try to get these errands in before the rain starts. I love every product that I take to a post office. It feels so official. Thank you. Now on to Whole Foods for some fruit and veggies. I follow Bake by Melissa on TikTok, and she's always making these crazy salads, so I'm always wanting to make a salad just like her. She has these cupcake places all around New York City. $99. Oh, I got off easy today. And since my son is sick, I'm stopping by the Macaron place in the mall to cheer him. Thank goodness my wife met up with me. These bags are getting heavy, and I have some stroller assistance. Now for a few more errands. I really love running into fellow entrepreneurs and hustlers. They really help make the city go around. Now that I'm done with errands, I'm gonna head home. And it started raining, but I'm heading home for the day, wrap up some stuff, do some dinner with the kids, and then once they go to bed, it's on to all of the copy for my website. I have some product photography to do for some new items that I had shipped in, and that's not the best lighting at night, but sometimes it's the only time you get some stuff done. It's when they're sleeping. So it's a day in the life of a New York City mom, business owner, and full-time